Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is kind of a early reveal of my new room. So don't mind, there's still empty boxes that have to be broken down, but we have all the furniture in for the most part. So here's my wall of makeup and diamond painting organizers near a window. Here's my new mannequin, my plants, and here's the stairs where we go downstairs. We're upstairs. Here's all the empty boxes. This is supposed to have all my perfumes here, hair products, and our bed with our diamond painting wall. The wall goes on a slant, and let me tell you, this was a real bitch to hang these up. But they're all hung up. Our new bed, new TV. Look how cool this is, you guys. And it closes by itself. I just got that from Amazon. It was really cute. Fairy cage is up with us. And don't mind the mess. I still have some sorting to do, but nail stuff, headbands, body products, more body products. All my dream catchers, some of these I made. My closet. Oh, there goes Ezzy. Some of them are up right now, some of them are sleeping. More hair products. And here are my ladies. They look pretty cool on this wall. I did on this one though lose a diamond, but that's to be expected because there were popping drills. So even though she is sealed, you have to be very delicate with it because the drills still pop off even though it's sealed. Here's a dream catcher I made when I was into making dream catchers. And that's it, guys. That's the room. I'll show you the living room downstairs in the basement another day. Maybe I'll do the video today. I'm still sorting things out. There's bags and bags of yarn everywhere. It's crazy. A lot of them are projects I'm trying to finish up and I have to put away. So, but yeah, that's the room. Sorry, dizzy moment, dizzy. But that's what we're working with. I love my pink room. I love it. I love it. And I think the ferrets are okay with it too. That carpet has to be cut right about here. I keep tripping over it. We just put the extra carpet down to line the ferret cage in their food so they don't get the new gray carpet dirty. So that's it. And this one, the drawers are still at the house. So I have to get that turquoise or teal, those drawers. So you guys, that's it for now. That's what we have so far. We're trying to relax a little bit today because we did a lot over Friday and Saturday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.